Introducing the 2025 Peugeot 408 Allure 1.2 130 Hybrid STD 4-door, packed with luxury features and advanced safety technology. This stunning blue vehicle with only 5,500 kilometres on the clock is sure to turn heads wherever you go. From the comfortable interior with ambient lighting to the high-tech security features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this car has everything you need for a smooth and safe drive. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website, Joe Norris Motors ID, for more information. Drive away in style with the Peugeot 408 Allure today.